So first we're going to make some plaques, and to do this, this is just normal Renshaw sugar paste that I've got and I've warmed up in my hands. Now I'm going to take some of the Renshaw flour and modelling paste, just take a small amount of this. Now this is going to help to make the plaque nice and hard so that it doesn't flop off the side of the cake as we're creating it. So soften it up. You can always add a little bit of Trex to make it easier to work with, and then knead that into your sugar paste. Make sure it's kneaded in well so that you get a nice even texture to that. So we knead it in with our hands. Now if it does start to stick, I can feel that's getting a little bit tacky because of the sugar paste. Just use a little bit of corn flour on there and that will make it nice and pliable so it doesn't stick to your hands. And then what we need to do is roll out. So with your rolling pin, we gently start rolling. Now move your paste as you roll. This will ensure you get a nice even finish. Now I'm not going to roll all of this because it's quite a big piece I've got here. Just work with the one section here. Let me just get rid of this one half. So obviously when you're doing this, you're going to be rolling out a big section on your work surface, ready to do lots of these. And for the 8-inch cake that we've got, I would suggest you need about 12 to 13 plaques. Now this is a template that I've cut out of card. So we place that on there, make sure it's not sticking. Again, a little bit of corn flour to stop the stickiness. And we place on there. Now with a very large knife, I make one sharp cut. Now the reason we do this, if we use a scalpel, we'll be getting jagged edges, which we don't want to do. So again, one nice long cut, like so. Make sure your template isn't moving. And the last one. Now always make sure that your paste is wrapped up and put in a bag so it doesn't dry, because now we've added the flour modelling paste, it will start drying and form a crust. So make sure that's wrapped. But if we turn that away, then there's our plaque. Now I would just lay that onto a piece of foam, ready to dry. Leave it about 24 hours, and so it's dry completely.